Thanks for watching VegasWinner 55. Just put in a 20 bucks. You know, I'm not doing a $55 challenge. I've lost a couple. Just gonna give it a shot, trying to get a little bonus here. Oh, nice. Oh, wow. 20 bucks in. Look at that. Played a little 2-cent denom. Got the mini. And a 10,000 ball. That's always good. That's a great comeback because I was pretty down. So I love that. So this is a great game, the Sahara Gold. Come on now, give me one more. Keep it going. Oh, well, it's all right. Let's count it out. You know, the Sahara Gold kind of is my best machine for coming back. Look at that. It's 117 times my bet. Not bad at all. Play a little bit longer, a couple backup spins. See how we do. Switch it over and play a little the nickel denom. Come on now. I'll play down to about 200 bucks. Again, I only put in 20, so I'll be pretty happy with 200. Come on now, let's do it. All right. I'm going to switch over to the back to 2 cents. It always works well for me. Come on, Sahara Gold. And 225. And 3 of those Taj Mahals. Come on now. I'm going to have a few more spins here. $3 a spin. Well, let's see. It's a little bit there, but come on now. Go to dimes for a few spins. Oh, 2, 3. Come on now. 2. All right, my last spin. Oh, some kings. Keep me going. Hey, the Taj Mahal bonus. All right. That's pretty cool. I was going to cash out at 200, so I got a bonus. Let's see what we can get. Let's go to the right. I'm going to go right again. All right, that's okay. 9 free games, I'll take it. Not the best you can do, but it's something. I needed another jack. Oh, pyramids. So far, that's my biggest hit. 790 after 7 spins. Got a little bit more there. $9. Not exactly a huge bonus so far. Last spin. All right. Well, I'll take it. $9 is $9. Oh, 4. There we go. 2 spins later. Has to make up for kind of a not so good bonus spin, so I take it. Thank you so much, Sahara Gold. Already got about $50 right there, so that's a great start. Come on, let's keep it going. Oh, I saw a major. Oh, well, that's great. I'll take it. Major just was the 1 ball away. Well, 750. Do a couple more spins. I'm going to go ahead and cash out. Playing Sahara Gold in with 20 out with 250. Thanks for watching.